Okay guys, so I'm in a better angle here. The truck is now inside the yard. The truck with already birds from another kill site has been sitting here for at least 5 to 6 hours. There is a bucket of eggs. There is, oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't even know how many bags. You guys can count them.
One.
Probably close to 10 bags.
At least.
More than.
Oh, I recognize him.
Florencia's pissed.
I recognize you.
Florencia,
Yeah.
what are the syringes for? The syringes that they have? The syringes in the bag, do you know what that is? No, right there in the little plastic bag he's holding. What is that? No, right there in his hand.
Oh, did they test your birds?
No, in his hand. He's hiding it right now.
He's hiding it.
He's hiding it. In his hand. What is that?
He's hiding it.
Right here. Right. What is it, sir? In your hand.
Did you test his birds, or is that somebody else's test? Why are you hiding it? Why are you cuffing it up?
Why is he hiding it? Because you can't?
No, but you can show the owner. Did he test your birds?
Did he test your birds?
Florencio,
They did?
test?
They tested them? After they sprayed stuff on
In a
your
little
property a
Ziploc
week
bag.
ago?
Yeah, they did spray this man's property with something we do not know what when he got his paperwork.
Oh, they got sprayed. Oh, he's showing us the bag now.
Oh, now you feel like showing.
But you notice it's a Ziploc bag. It's not a medical bag. It's not a specimen bag. It's a Ziploc bag.
Quality brand.
I mean,
so
come on. You know, you guys have millions of dollars to spend here, and you're using a freaking Ziploc you can get from a 99-cent store. Why can't we put a specimen bag that has a name, a date, a location, whereas?
What is that?
Where is the specimen bag properly labeled? Where's the biosecurity, biosafety? Where is it?
I think it's a bee. It's going to sting his armpit.
Do you see a red bag here? Do you see anything that says this disease property? Can you imagine driving around the road and you go in a car accident and
really desperate. I'm literally helping
this falls out in front of you? This is not lawn trimmings. These are not lawn trimmings, baby.
Sir, there's a bug on
His
your
birds I
bag.
know are healthy, but what the hell is back here? We don't know. And it's been cooking for 5 to 6 hours in the heat. And
I
it's
can
actually
smell
starting
it.
to stink.
I
starting
can smell
to
the dead
stink.
birds through the bag.
I try to lift one of the bags, so I know they're heavy, but we can physically, we can smell them now. That's what's nasty about this whole thing, is you can smell the birds. So, you know, chickens, I don't know if you're familiar with them, but everyone knows, like, you butcher them, you need to get scalding hot water and they'll drop the feathers or whatever, or even just hot weather. Chickens will start to molt and drop their feathers. These bag chickens smell already. There is an odor coming through them. Nasty.
So they don't have identification, but they have.
Oh, and this is a truck that is dirty.
And bugs on them.
It's a dirty truck.
Well, no, this was a truck that was parked in their driveway earlier. Remember?
Yeah, it was parked in the driveway, and
Yeah.
prior to that, it was parked in front of one of the other houses across the street.
Oh, wait, I'm on the
This truck has like been all up and down this poor little street of where these people live.
Oh, that's right. They were driving up and down our street all morning.
Yeah, and then this morning they parked in front of another house. Because one of the neighbors told us, oh, that truck parked there before it moved over.
Hey, did you notice that they wrote on the bottle with their Sharpie of what
Oh,
it
did
was?
they? Did they? Oh, how
It's got a flag in the
cute. With a Sharpie. You got that from the dollar store too.
Yeah.
That Sharpie, those are pretty relevant in the dollar store.
Ah! Someone's gonna get
Oh
screwed.
shit, someone's spraying straight up. It's raining. I don't know if you guys caught it. I think it would probably be on Tiffany's phone better, but
Hi.
it's raining here.
You know what? Why did they take off their biosecurity suits and then put them back on again?
That guy doesn't have a, and the other ones here don't have
Oh,
anything.
he's missing his little.
This is bold. I got more hair than that.
Yeah, well, I bet the one with the sunglasses, yeah, we met that guy before.
Shove those birds
They
in
boxed
there.
us in. There's our box-in guy right there. Yeah.
That's
The gas station box-in, yeah, I know. I don't have your name, but I know what you look like.
High school, straight out of high school, straight out of high school.
They should be going into the army is what they should be doing.
By the way, I have my friend here. My daughter here, she looks tall for her age. She is 12 years old, so yeah. You guys don't need to trace her or follow her. She's a 12-year-old. She's
Since
a
you guys are known
minor.
for following
So
our children.
just stay away from my daughter, a 12-year-old minor. She's not even a teenager. So step. You need to start stepping back. Oh, one of our ladies here is like
no,
doing a
Lindsay,
undress
the only
right here.
person who got information was the homeowner. He did get the information of this man right here, who is the Spanish translator. And he actually spoke Spanish to him the entire time. He's pissed though. He's so mad. He said, I told you not to videotape. Well, too bad. You guys are done, so now I'm videotaping.
They're already dead. It's not like they're going to come back to life, so we can videotape now.
I hope you guys all have Bugs Bunny.
Shout out to Herb, the next door neighbor that let us use his yard.
I kind of want to sit on this, but I'm scared I'm going to fall.
Brother from another mother. He is cool.
Yeah, I know, Lindsay. He was telling us about, 15 years ago they killed his birds, but it was a different story back then.
Oh, and they're hanging their biosecurity on his
post.
house. Oh, wow. You guys are good. Man, breaching it all here. Using his fence post, his porch. This is his back porch.
Yeah, so they did throw the eggs in the bag.
Yeah.
Did you guys check to see if there was any dead big chickens in those eggs? Nope.
Wow. You guys, I mean, I know some of these people I don't recognize. There's a handful I don't recognize. They're new. But some of you guys have been around the block here.
I could smell
Literally around the block. Literally around the block.
We had it spraying in the air.
This man has begged for biosecurity and they hanging from a
these birds are from the previous site. These ones right here, and then they got these guys that they just killed.
And they have his specimens in a unmarked Ziploc bag.
Ziploc bag, which he tried to hide, by the way.
But it's unmarked. What address, what house, whatever. I mean, they can claim it came from anywhere. I mean, literally they can. There's really nothing stopping them from claiming it came from anywhere. I feel bad for the owner. He did follow everything they asked of him.
He did.
He really did. He tried to, I mean, he spoke to him in Spanish, really understood. Even though he had English paperwork, he wanted to just get this taken care of. He has family issues that are a high priority. His family is a high priority to him, so don't judge. But he did welcome us to record. His neighbor welcomed us to record. And we try to do what we can. Biggest breach was somebody else's birds are in the same truck with his birds. We also saw people walking around without any biosecurity.
That's an interesting question, Ariana. Will the chemicals hurt the dog? Any chemical I think that you're using on someone's property has the potential to hurt anyone, but they refuse to give out the MSDS sheet, which explains the information about what the chemicals are that they're using.
He's just spraying at the bags. I'm not really sure what that's doing here.
Might cool them down a little bit.
Well, they're already dead.
In heaven.
They are in heaven. Yeah.
Gonna have to do a second job.
They're getting heated.
Put it in bed.
Literally.
Right.
Half the work.
These ones here are dropping their feathers because they've been sitting here 5-6 hours going on.
But someone else slashed their tires, so they got new ones. That's why the numbers on it.
That's weird.
Oh, they got new tires. Oh, biosecurity.
Stop saying this, dude.
God, it stinks.
Sarah, hold back your gag.
That wasn't
It's because it. Oh, I'm sorry, Tiff. Hold back your gag. Your gag mark.
I'm getting my summer tan today.
Those birds have been in there since 9 o'clock this morning. It stinks. I could smell it through the bag.
I don't know if they were killed this morning or killed last night and just not dropped off. I don't know.
I think his kill order said the be disposed of by date was like, I want to say like 6 days after. From the kill date. His kill date was 5/28, but he was on vacation.
You can't use the normal stuff.
Yeah, we could. Oh, step on the truck and reach across.
Get more bags.
Oh, it's going to count. Thank you, guys. You're not welcome.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye, Felicia.
I'm so proud of you. I know, Lindsay, that's what I was saying. I asked him earlier, I was like, how do they know how many chickens he has? And he asked him that.
See, there were some empty bags, but there's 2 big full bags. I mean, big full bags.
I think what they're doing is they're just guessing. You know? No, what they're doing is they're using drones and helicopters. Who knows? Maybe they're going into people's backyards at night when they're sleeping. We don't know. We really don't.
The resident is home. They were talking to them earlier.
He's very upset. I feel so bad.
He's more afraid of the warrants and things. He feels that they're going to kill his birds anyways. He wants to have some kind of control. He has a granddaughter that he is a caregiver and babysits. It was a personal decision to address this today. He just asked that they practice biosecurity and do this properly, and they failed him so many ways. They failed him so many ways.
Actually, I think they moved the dead birds that were already in there. They're kind of
no, they're right here. They're right here.
There was more there was more bags than that.
Those are empty plastics. The 2 are right here. I've been watching them. And they have not moved. Those 2 bags right there. It was 2 bags. They had empty bags next to it. They thought we wouldn't notice, but we noticed because I went to try to lift the closest one. And you can't lift it. It's dead weight. Got to be at least 80 to 100 pounds.
Yeah, I know a lot of people actually vaccinate their birds around here. There's a bird vaccine, and
I don't think you got it high enough.
they don't care. They don't care. I have a feeling it has a lot to do with the net. Oh, look at all that air sucked out of that bag. They must have not killed all those ones all the way. 56, what does it say? 56 Verca 1% irritation or something. I just said that. I know, I can't see it. They won't show it to us. They keep hiding stuff. They like to hide things. Because they know what they're doing is wrong.
And we're not in the yard.
Damn,
as you can see, we're at the neighbor's yard, but he welcomed us over here. He just said he was at work.
I feel so bad.
But he left the gate or the door unlocked for us.
He's so upset.
Thank you, Herb.
Florencia's upset.
They did. The homeowner is extremely upset. We've learned that he's extremely upset. He found out only after half of his birds got killed that there were birds already in the truck.
Yeah, they've been going at this all day, guys. All day.
They had their trash bag. They put their trash on his.
Making sure they roll the oven.
Hole. I mean, come on, people. Show some respect, you know?
They're not, they're just stepping on them.
Show some respect.
Well, there's no room. They killed so many that there's no room.
Wait, are you stuck?
Oh, yeah.
In between, or are you stuck
Oh, he's just leaning on them.
They literally can't even stack them. They're just letting them in there. You want us women to show you how it's done?
You probably shouldn't touch your face, just saying.
Oh, gotta fix this video.
A lot of people don't realize this disease is, if it's really here, the biosafety 2 level. You can look that up, biosafety 2, and figure out what kind of coverage, even for the employees. I know they think that we're stabbing in the back, but the employees don't realize what they're being exposed to.
Mom, they're showing the stuff.
Furcon S, 1% irritant. Do you know what that is?
56%.
But these level 1 workers do not realize what they're being exposed to. This is a biosafety 2 product or disease category, and have no idea what they're being exposed to.
His gloves broke.
His gloves have been broken, so he has germs on his hands.
Oh, that's 2 gloves? Oh, that one's got a thumb coming out.
The whole thing's ripped.
I want to know how many of them got their asses ripped by the roosters. That's what I want to know.
How much you need to pay for this, huh?
I feel so sorry for our neighbor, this gentleman.
I do too. He's really upset. I'm really upset for him.
He even has his birthday hat on.
Yeah, I know.
duct taped every single crack and crevice.
I need everybody on previous posts when we show the white truck
They forgot to Lysol the knife that
to
they're using.
share the videos of the white truck with the old or previous owned birds. Share it, because I'm afraid that if it gets to SOB and they monitor it, they're going to pull it off or close it down.
Save it on your phone.
Save it on your phone. It's extreme biosecurity we witnessed today. There are 2 bags at this end of the truck that were from another address. There is footage earlier where that truck was parked in the driveway, just on the other side of the gate. If you guys have been following us, the biggest thing you can do is share. Share, share, share.
Since all they do is kill, kill, kill.
As a public, we're asking your help to share. Look at the prior video where we have the homeowner woman walking up. Her neighbor is translating for her, explaining about the bio breach. The best thing you can do for this family is to share the videos that we have recorded. Even if it's not this particular one right here, it's the one that was earlier.
They gotta make sure to get all the air out. Oh, they're double gloving it.
Yeah, there's so much sweat in that. That's disgusting.
I'd like to know where they're
family. I feel so bad for him.
I do too.
All the chickens like that.
Squish them all in there.
All the chickens like that.
Okay, the question is, will this truck go to the dump this time, or will it go to another kill site? We do not know.
Oh my god, that guy's wearing granny panties.
We do not know. I'm waiting for them to clean the pole.
Oh, there they go.
They could have just left it open and helped it out.
Did you tie the bag?
No zip ties for that bag?
Maybe. Oh, you showed him how to use a knife. You are young.
I know
I'm
that's
not gonna lie, I saw the pole that
My
you
kids
decided
know how to
trash
fold a
on.
knife.
Yeah, what about
That
the
one
pole,
was
the
a
whole-
very young one. He didn't know how to fold a knife, pocket knife.
Damn, I know how, and I'm freaking half his age.
Sarah, but you're 12. I
Exactly.
mean, yeah, you know how to fold a knife. But the other guy over there, I guess it's new. Working with animals, most people know how to tie a knot and fold a knife. Our little guy right
Still
there,
not
he's
gonna
brand
clean
new
the
to
pole?
this. He
These
doesn't
guys
know how to
look
fold a
like
knife.
they're like
I mean, yeah, animals, you know how to fold a
Told you,
pocket
high
knife.
school job.
Just saying.
Clean the pole off. Use that to clean the pole off. I wonder how many. They might as well get a sponsor for Lysol.
push them in there.
Clean the pole off.
There's so many birds in that truck that when you close the gate on that truck, the entire truck goes back and forth. There's a lot of weight in there. Oh, gotta spray the shades.
You need to move forward.
Yeah, move forward.
Yeah. Tell him to
Clean
move
the
the
pole
fuck
off.
off your property.
You forgot to spray his tires as you were leaving.
Yeah.
And the pole.
The pole.
What about the
That's right.
pole where all your stuff was at?
The pole.
Wait, I want to see what they do with the front yard.
Yeah, do it.
Because, shoot, we're falling. Okay. Hey, guy, I am going through my neighbor's house. Gotta block the view for just a second. Hang on a second, hold the door open. Protect thy neighbor. Alright. Kill truck. Oh wow, they know how to drive. Got 3 cars in a row.
You didn't clean the pole off!
Well, what about the driveway?
Oh, that's right. They forgot to spray the truck in there.
Wait. Everybody saw today that there was a truck here with already hurt. Oh, here he's gonna run. Let's see what he's gonna do with his Lysol can. They're probably watching us live right now. We're educating the CDFA. We're educating them.
Wrong pole.
God, we should be your auditors.
And the pole.
Oh yeah, you're tired. Oh, don't remind them. Let them make the mistakes. Man.
You're spreading the disease.
Mama, you're protecting them. Okay, just wait. No, be quiet.
Since they don't know how to do
I mean, we had a bunch of birds that got killed. I don't want to laugh, but this is so fucking stupid. What about where the truck was parked with the other animals?
I hope you still have that bug on your back.
Oh yeah, it's on his shoulder.
The pole! Stupid.
I wonder if that guy knows he's in reverse right now.
Well, if it's a new guy doesn't know how to close a pocket knife, then probably not. Okay, you're watching the kill truck. They got loaded and left with no tire spray at all.
No tire spray.
Excuse me.
Don't forget to put your car in drive before you go backwards.
The pole!
They left like a fucking bat out of hell.
It's hot.
Okay, you guys witnessed it. There was no spraying of the tires. You saw this live. They did not go to Florenda's front yard here where they had a truck parked for hours with someone else's animals. Hours parked here. Never sprayed the truck. They literally just drove off. They didn't spray his sidewalk. They didn't make. This man begged for biosecurity. Begged this morning. If you watch this morning's video, in Spanish, begged.
You could tell he was very upset. So, anyways, guys, we got to witness what was going on and what happened.
This is. I can say we videoed several. I want to say this is the worst, dirtiest one we've seen.
Bye, guys.
All right, I'm closing out too. There's nothing else to see here other than there's lots of holes in this one. Bye. I'm gonna come back and talk to him in a minute, but I gotta go to the bathroom like crazy bad.
What?
I gotta go to the bathroom. Plus, I want to see if they're stopping by our house.
Bathroom's in Herb's house.
Huh?
Oh, they're out of here. They're gone.
Well, I'm gonna make sure. I'm walking. Oh, you know what? I should get my truck, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fucking serious? Sarah Tiffany right there. Hold your door a second, a little forward. Oh, and can you grab the orange drinks?
Get the orange drink.
Yeah.
Get the drink.
Oh. Oh, we'll come back. I'm gonna come back anyways. I gotta use the bathroom. I'm gonna come back. I want to talk to him. I feel so bad for that man.
He is so upset.
I feel so bad for him.
You're not getting a straight home, are you?
I'm gonna do it. I want to see if they're at the other end of the street. Like if they left one car behind. Or if they parked along the side. I'm gonna go for a little drive.
Fall asleep.